Hi, this is Shar from Teach with Shar, and I wanted to do a quick tutorial for you guys on how to actually use your interactive Bitmoji classroom once it's all set up. This video is not a tutorial on how to actually make a Bitmoji classroom. This is a tutorial on how to actually use it once you've created. So if you're looking for a tutorial on how to make a classroom like mine, I highly suggest joining the Facebook group Bitmoji Craze for Educators or looking up some YouTube tutorials. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with this video. Now, just some background information. I teach a hybrid course for 6th graders. It is a math science class, but it is a STEM or STEAM class with a heavy concentration on math and science. And I have 6th graders, and we also have iPads. So they don't have Chromebooks because they are 6th grade in my district is in the elementary school. So they have iPads and typically keyboards if we were on campus. The issue that I usually run into when using Google Slides as any type of assignment, the students forget to actually open the document in Google Slides because we use Google Classroom. If they just click on the assignment, it'll open as like a PDF or a preview. And in order for them to actually interact with the Google slide, it has to be opened in Google Slides. Sometimes when I use hyperlinks, they forget to go into presentation mode, which will activate the link or make the link easier for them to get to. This is how they would open the slide. And so by here, they would just go in and start randomly clicking things until they found a link. The issue with that is they'll be clicking so fast that they'll start moving things around, and then they'll just mess up the entire thing. Now, typically I would use master slides to prevent them from moving things around that I don't want them to, but for the sake of time, I really didn't feel like doing master slides because while it's easy for me to do, it's very time consuming. So I didn't want to do that route. The only other way for them to interact with the links is they would need to be in presentation mode, and they would just forget to do this. It's a lot of steps from Google Classroom because it'll open in that preview, and then they have to open it into Google Slides and then find the presentation mode or presentation button, and they would just get lost in the steps and forget to do all that. But as you can see, I can click on the icons that have links and it will open the web pages. Okay, so there's lots of links in this classroom for my students. And so that it works, that method works, but like I said, there's always that student or group of students that forget to open in presentation mode to access those links. So I'm going to show you a quick way to bypass all of that. You will need to go to File and then go to Publish to Web. I've already published this, so let me stop and show you again. So File, Publish to Web, and then you're going to hit Publish, hit OK. I highly recommend that you go down here in Publish Content and Settings and select the link. The reason being is I'm not going to open it because it'll show my district, but it'll say require sign in with district account. So that means if you're outside of my district, you won't be able to see this presentation. You would have to sign in with something with your username that has my district, that is linked to my district. So come here, you're going to copy this link. You're going to go here back to your classroom. So this is just a trial class that I use for making sure that everything works before I actually publish it to my real Google Classroom, my active and live Google Classroom, and I'm typing classroom as I talk. So I'm just going to put welcome to Mrs. Height's class. and then I'm going to add a link, copy V, or Command V, I'm sorry, add link, and then post. Now typically this right here would show a preview of the website or the assignment. I think because it is requiring a sign-in, that is why. I need to investigate this a little bit more. If I figure out a reason why it's doing that, I'll update you guys and let you know. But let me go ahead and click out of these so you can see. So now what's going to happen is this is going to open that same Google slide as a pretty much a web page. And so now the students can go in and they can click things. Let me stop the video. They can click things and you don't have to worry about them rearranging things because nothing is going to be able to be moved. So it doesn't matter how bad I click and drag, I can't move anything. Okay, so that's it. That's that workaround, and I hope that was easy for you guys to follow. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.